The topper garage here is over in the same store. What? Put the strap on. I don't know where the wind came out of, but she's really windy. A lot of rain. The carport thing blew off. Broke all the cables. We got it strapped down to the car right now, so hopefully that doesn't blow away. We got 3 ride straps going around the car. It was like hanging up here on the birdhouse and on top of the house roof for a little while there. Blew out. So yeah, we'll see. Pulled all the stakes out of the ground. Mine is still standing over there. Well, Uncle Dean's shed was all, walls are all up, his garage, but they all blew down in the wind. So they had this all up on Friday. Today's Sunday. Okay, we're all surveilling the damage and we almost got 2 deer. Oh, the shed. The door blew open on the 4th, looks like. Alright, so that was Uncle Dean's shed that they just started putting up, blew over. Now we're going around to see what else happened. Danny's got some calf huts. I know once the trees are down, but the calf huts are over at G-Bob's. We'll go check that out now. Danny's got a tree down there. G-Bob's got a calf hut now in the yard. That is Danny's. That blew over here. Somehow it blew all the way over here. Got a pine tree down over there by the pole shed by Luke's. So the church, it looks like it's fine, but there's a tree down here. They've got a tree down in the park. We're just cruising around here. Looks like there was some branches down over here. So down here in the park, they got a willow tree down. And that's a pretty big one that blew down, but just a few little trees around town. A sign is blowing off the Scottish Bar. But there's not a lot that I've seen. So right over here, there's a big willow that blew down. But that's about all so far. Hoppy's place, there was a tree right down in front of his house and his garage. Here's another big oak tree that blew over. A few of them in there. Yeah, this farm looks like it's pretty well okay. Oh, we got a pine tree down in the driveway. There doesn't look like much damage in Marlton, but we're getting some more action over here. You see some branches down. Debris on the road. There was a false alarm a little while ago. I thought it was a shed down, but it was a brush pile. branches down. And before you comment that my window's cracked, I know it's cracked because I can tell that, you know. Oh, they got a carport down too. Not the only one, they didn't have one down. Oh, there's a tree down in there. Yeah, I love a good storm. Oh, there's a road sign down there too. Our road sign right in front of the house. A snowmobile crossing. Blew that sucker right over. No remorse at all. Just boom, down, done. Coochie, coochie, woochie, coochie. Let's call Rome and give him a jingle and see if he's anything blew over there by his place. Let's keep driving around the countryside here. Turn on the sides and see what else we find that is down and around. Coming up to the strawberry farm right now. We'll see if they got any damage by the strawberry pumpkin farm. Oh, he's working on a tree right now. We got an action shot of him cutting a tree down. Must have been in the road. Yep. Well, I haven't seen any more damage lately. I might seem a little excited, but the storm damage storms that just bring the inner spirits of me out. Finds a whole new hallucinating with my inner core of the planets aligning, and I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, storms. I like storms. So we'll see what happens here. I don't see any more critical damage that has happened. I know Craig had some shingle blown up in his house. That was about all. So.